friends, in this video we'll discuss how to select a topic for your research. It is the most commonly asked and I think the most difficult question, and yes, it is difficult because the first step towards your research project is to select the topic of your research and select a research question. So most of the students, they remain confused throughout the training period that how to choose a topic, for a research project, how to choose a topic for synopsis, and they keep wandering here and there asking seniors and supervisors for their topic. In this video, let's discuss some of the principles of selection of a topic. There are a few basic things that you need to consider in your mind before going to select a topic of your interest. First thing, it is your interest. What is your interest? What is it that you love? If you are doing a residency in the medical field, what is your field? In that particular field, what do you love the most? For example, if you are from internal medicine and you want to select a topic, like I like diabetes, so I want to do a research on diabetes, but I can't do research on diabetes alone. Yes, I'm from the internal medicine, I love diabetes, so the first principle is met, that okay, I have selected that what I love in internal medicine, what I am passionate about the internal medicine, which subject of the internal medicine I am passionate about. So it is diabetes. So your love, your passion, your interest, it has been set. Now come to the second principle. What is the second principle? Second principle is to narrow down your topic. Now what one means by narrowing down the topic? Like I have selected diabetes. Okay, the diabetes, I love diabetes. I love reading about diabetes. I love treating the diabetes. So I have selected that I am going to do a research on the diabetes. Now, of what, like, am I going to do a research on the diagnosis? Diabetes, is it something related to the treatment of the diabetes, or it could be related to any complications of the diabetes? It could be a new medicine, it could be a new therapy, it could be a new type of the insulin that I want to do research on. So let's suppose I initially selected the diabetes as a topic of my research. Now I'm narrowing down it. How? Like I want to do research on diabetic neuropathy. So I have narrowed down the diabetes now. From diabetes, I come to the diabetic neuropathy. So diabetic neuropathy is again a vast field. It has many types. It has many perspectives. So what actually in diabetic neuropathy I am going to do research on? So let's see. There are many types. It could be a sensory diabetic neuropathy, it could be a motor neuropathy, it could be autonomic neuropathy, it could be a treatment of the neuropathy. So let's narrow down it further. I want to do research on autonomic diabetic neuropathy. I have further narrowed it down. From diabetes we come to the diabetic neuropathy. Now from diabetic neuropathy we come to the autonomic diabetic neuropathy. Now first suppose I have selected a topic. Now I will do a little bit of research on this particular topic. I will do some literature search. I will discuss it with some seniors, and I will see that what things has been done related to this autonomic diabetic neuropathy in the other world. What are topics, what are the targets in this particular entity, and then I will further narrow down my topic, because I can't just simply do a research on autonomic diabetic neuropathy. I'm not going to write an essay. I have to do a research. Research is something else. So I need to combine many things. I need to bring some other things that we will discuss in another video, that how to. So though there are few principles of selection topic for research. First thing is your love, your passion, your interest. Second thing is, now once your interest is selected, the topic of your interest is selected, narrow down that topic as much as possible. Bring one of the aspect of that topic, like we did in this video. Now then we will combine 2-3 things together. We will combine 2-3 things together related to that narrowed down topic as our topic of research. Like in this case, we came from diabetes to diabetic neuropathy to the autonomic diabetic neuropathy. So we can do a research on the diagnostic modalities of the autonomic diabetic neuropathy. We can compare two diagnostic tools of autonomic diabetic neuropathy. Now see, the things have changed. Now we have diabetic neuropathy. In that we have diabetic autonomic neuropathy, in which we could have one or more than one diagnostic tool, and we will do research on their efficacy. We will do research on their sensitivity and their validity, and what is the clinical uses. So in this way, your interest, your topic of interest, then narrowing it down, then combining 2-3 things together, here is your topic prepared. But it's not that easy as it sounds. It requires certain steps, certain other things. You will hopefully learn in upcoming videos. Stay tuned. Thank you.